Langsung, semoga Anda dan keluarga sudah standby pasti di depan layar kaca Anda. Inilah si cantik Thalia. Hi Thalia.
Hi, I'm really emocionada de estar aquí. Sorry because my English is not very good and I have to speak half in English, half in Spanish, okay?
It's okay.
Estoy muy emocionada de poder estar en Indonesia. Hace años quería venir y estar junto a la gente, platicar con ellos, y esto es un momento muy emocionante para mí.
Okay, thank you. Now Thalia, everybody in Indonesia knows you in Maria Mercedes and Maria Cinta yang Hilang. You know Maria Cinta yang Hilang in Indonesia. Okay, and also Marima. So now, could you tell us a little bit more about your acting career?
Yeah, well, first, since I was 9, I began singing. I'm a singer and then an actress. And well, the soap operas started when I was 13, 13 years old, and in a little paper like that. No quería hacer la novela, no quería, porque pues nunca había tomado una clase de actuación. Así que bueno, me impusieron que hiciera la novela y la hice y les gustó mi trabajo. Y well, I have 6 soap operas, 5 in the first paper, or in the first, ¿cómo se dice? Role, in the first role, I'm sorry. And the 3 successfuls are Maria Mercedes, Marimar, and María la del Barrio.
Okay. Now, in most of your telenovela, you always act as a poor girl who later turned out to be a rich woman with happy ending. Say like a Cinderella.
Yeah.
Okay.
My favorite story.
Okay. Why do you always choose that kind of character?
I was always with the side of that people, the people who can't study or can go to the school, or who never have a beautiful life or money or something for it. And then I prefer that roles because are more humans, because are more touch. Yeah. And also I gave that people a hope, a dream. And if Maria can do that, you can do that also. If Maria was living in a poor house, and now she's a very beautiful woman who speak de lo que sea, speak about culture or something like that. You can do that also. I think it's doy una esperanza a la gente que no la tiene.
Okay. All right. Now you have lots of fans here in Indonesia. How do you feel? How do you feel about that?
Es algo inexplicable. Es un amor tan grande el que yo le tengo a esa gente que me quiere, a esa gente que me ha apoyado en mi carrera de actriz y en mi carrera de cantante, que nombra a sus bebitos como Thalia o como María Mercedes o como María. Muchísimas gracias a todo el público que hace posible mi éxito. Gracias a Indonesia.
Okay. And how do you know Indonesia? I mean, the woman, the man, the culture.
You know what? People are like, in occasions like the Mexican people, very, very happy and very
diamond,
and also very passionate. Home here, I feel so. You have a beautiful, beautiful city, and sí, como muy futurista, muy cosmopolita, de primer mundo. Y quiero felicitarlos porque realmente han hecho de su país una cosa bellísima, digna para presumir a nivel mundial.
All right, and then we have 5 TV stations in Indonesia, and we make lots of TV serials. How would you feel if you were asked by one of our local producers to play in one of our serials?
Me encantaría hacerla. Tendría que tomar buenas clases de inglés y also buenas clases del idioma que hablan aquí.
Okay, all right then. So now, what about if we have the commercial break first, okay?
Don't go anywhere. Stay here.
In 1992, you've got TV and what you call it, Novelas Award. 1992, okay. For newcomer category. That's for newcomer category. Of course, now you are not newcomer anymore, okay? What is your other target?
Bueno, este es uno de los premios que he ganado a lo largo de la carrera. Desde que empecé cuando tenía 9 años, he recibido muchos premios, obviamente por el cariño del público en diferentes partes del mundo. Ahora, bueno, mis objetivos son seguir trabajando en mis soap operas que me gustan y que me conozcan un poco más aquí en Indonesia como cantante. Quiero cantar, voy a grabar un disco en inglés y con algunas canciones aquí, para aquí específicamente, y lo voy a lanzar.
Okay. Now, if you don't mind, Thalia, rumors has it, this is rumors, that you have something going with Fernando Colunga in Maria Lada Barrio. Okay, what about that?
He's very handsome.
Oh, yeah, it is.
Yeah.
And what? What else?
Me da pena.
Oh, see, okay then. Okay. Maybe you could tell us what's your type of man?
Well, very intelligent, also very funny, also
Tall?
I don't mind, if he's tall or if he's very like Schwarzenegger or blonde or dark hair. I don't mind that. The only thing that I spare for a man is the soul, is the love, the fidelity, la fidelidad, así se dice,
yes.
and his time.
All right. Now, 26th of August is your birthday, right? What do you usually do on your birthday?
Pues a big party.
Always big party?
Yeah, but always in Mexico, This is my first birthday out of Mexico. Without mariachis and without my family. And I'm really happy, and I'm really expecting surprises, because I don't prepare anything, nothing. Maybe my family here, my mother and my stage do a surprise, a big surprise for me. Okay. I spare that.
I hope so. Okay, we know you are too busy as a famous actress, but what do you do in your spare time if you not work?
I sleep all day.
Sleep?
Yes, I'm in my bed all day.
Be careful, you'll be fat.
No, nunca engordo. I'm always I'm always very thin, and I eat and eat and eat and eat, but I don't know where the food is going. It disappears. I don't know how, but I never do weights or exercise or nothing, and I just eat. Well, but one day without working, I spend it in my home because I'm traveling a lot. Then I arrived to my bed with my bears because I have a big collection of teddy bears.
Yeah? Oh, okay.
And also of Marilyn Monroe's things, like books or photos. I love her. And I asked for a pizza or for a McDonald's or yeah, and have movies, rental movies.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, and that's it. I play with my
What
dog.
about swim or cook?
No, I don't cook. I don't know how to cook.
But you like it.
But I like it. Yeah. No, I swimming a lot. And
Beach? What about?
beach
Sunbath?
or I like ski.
Oh,
Ski on the water or in the snow. On the snow, yeah.
Okay, because you like cool.
Cool, yeah. Because I'm very warm, and I have to be in the snow.
All right then. Now, Thalia, we want to show the audience who is our guest for next week. Okay, pemirsa, ini dia orangnya untuk tamu minggu depan.
Minggu depan ngumpul semua depan TV ya, satu kelurahan. Ketemuin saya, Robi Tumemu.
Last question, Thalia. What about your other profession as a designer? You are a fashion designer also.
Yeah. I have a laundry line named Thalia. It's a
Is it
successful.
expensive?
No, not
Standard.
really expensive because I tell you my public is rich persons and also medium and also not with much money.
Okay.
And I have to do something popular but good quality and also good materials and great colors. All of that are mine designs. And it's a successful in Mexico. We are sending the laundry to United States and also to Argentina or Chile, all America, and Puerto Rico.
Indonesia.
We are in negotiations.
Yeah, because everybody knows Thalia,
Yes.
so maybe you can sell the...
here and also I think in Filipinas, and I can do a big business here.
Okay. I
Money.
Okay. Okay, now Thalia, if you really don't mind, please tell to your lovers, your fans, to your address, of course, your business address. Do you mind?
If you want to send me a letter or I don't know a poster or something,
flower.
a flower,
gift?
or a diamond. No, just a kiss or a photo of you or your family. Please send it to Boulevard Adolfo López Mateos, México DF. Y ahí está saliendo la dirección, así que don't miss it.
Listen. Okay. Before you say goodbye to
I don't
your
wanna
fans,
say
Me
goodbye.
too.
I don't
So
wanna
now
say.
you can. What about if just sing one word or whatever, sing whatever you want to sing to your fans.
But what kind of music?
Just a cappella. What about?
A ver, let me think about maybe Mariela del Barrio, but what part of the song?
Love song?
No, wait. I can't remember the song. La que descuincla quedó resola y pa' cambiar su suerte de su barrio querido se fue pa' poder comer. María, María, la del barrio, no llores más. Like that. Let me think about mi felicidad del dinero no compró, pues al hombre que amo no lo tengo yo. That's María Merced.
Yeah. Okay then, Thalia, it's very a beautiful moment. We can talk to you. So good luck then. Have success and send our regards to who. Okay, and your mother also. your mother, your family. Okay?
Okay. Well, thank you very much for this time and for give me this time to have a little talk with my public, my audience who are in his houses, in them houses. I love you all. Thank you very much, Indonesia, for all your love, for all your time, for all your kind.
Yeah, right.
I love you, 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 and I come back.
Promise is
I'll
a
be
promise.
back.
Promise is a promise.
Promise is a promise.
Okay then. Pemirsa, sampai di Putri Harga dan kerabat kerja Dunia Bintang mohon diri dahulu dari hadapan Anda. Salam manis untuk Anda, keluarga, dan orang-orang yang dekat di hati Anda. Ciao.
Oh, bukan main. Pasti puas bertatap langsung dengan bintang terkenal. Yang pasti, Anda bisa